right. Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi. My name is Mama Tess, Prophetess Mama Tess.
Yes.
I'm teaching Karen how to prepare pepper soup with fresh fish. So this is our local spices. Ginger, onion, garlic, different types. Some of them I don't, and they say clove.
Grove. Okay.
Grove. We add all together. This is purely organic spices. You pour some on the fresh fish. So I'm adding. I like onion, plenty onion. So I'm adding small onion again.
And Mama Tess, she boiled the fish first.
No,
she washed the fish in hot water.
With hot water, yeah.
With hot water to get all the dirt and anything else that was on the fish off before we put it in the pot with the seasonings and spices.
Yes.
And it smells really, really good. It smells really nice.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm
That's
excited.
our local Ghanaian spices. So I'm chopping some onion on it, and this is a type of one of Igbe soup I'm preparing from Volta region, because I am a vegetarian. Yes, I'm number 9. So we put it on the gas.
On the gas.
I'm setting my fire. So as for the pepper, you add according to the way you like it.
The onions.
Yes, so I listen. That is the powder pepper.
Wow.
Yes, it's very hot. The grounded powder pepper.
I like to put this on my street meat. Is this the pepper, right?
Yes.
The street meat, I love it.
Very hot.
Sometimes I buy it and I cook with it and I be sneezing. I'll be sneezing.
Okay. This one, I bought it from my village.
Oh, okay.
That's how I'm steaming the fish.
So we're about to add okra and pepper.
Yes, I'll add it. I'll add the okra.
I don't know where your napkin is.
Ella, can you call Helena for me? I have plenty napkins.
Helena, Mama Tess needs a napkin. Say hi. For her face.
Ready? Napkin, ready? So these are my okra. Because I'm a Ewe, I like okra.
Oh, okay.
Yes. I like okra.
I like okra too. I guess I'm an Ewe.
So I'm using always have to cut. You have to be ready for everything. Listen. Cutting the okra down. Are you here? You wash it nicely. You cut it into 2. If you like, you can put into it like that. But me, I like cutting it small. I divide it into 2. Always you have to wash the okra.
So is this soup going to be slimy like okra?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's hot. It's like pepper soup, but it will be thick.
Okay.
Do you understand? Because we are using it for akpele or banku.
Yeah.
So it will not be light. Do you understand?
Yeah.
These are our dirty waters.
So now will we add the okra now or we will add water?
No.
Okay.
Wait. Always I can pour the okra, but normally I'll add the tin tomatoes. Have you seen the tin tomatoes? I add it. But I'm preparing the okra and the this pepper. This pepper is our local pepper. It gives, the scent is good. So at times like you can put it in, some people they like hot. So if you put it in, those who like hot, they just take it and add it to their soup. But this one, just adding it to give the flavor. The smell was good. It's good.
You know, I didn't even plan to record this, and Mama Tess was like, go get your camera, go record this. So I want to say thank you, because I'm hyped. I'm hyped I recorded, because I was just going to watch, you know, but I'm glad I recorded, so thanks.
That's good. You have to record. So that, you know why? Me, I like recording. When I was young, I used to take pictures.
Yeah.
You didn't want, I'll give you my album now. See how I like life.
Yeah.
Always, everywhere that I stay, I took picture. So but I don't know where the same cards are. I hide them somewhere. Because within me, I am convinced that I'll be rich one day. Yeah. Even when I was suffering. That's me. So that's how it is. Have you seen it? Wow. Have you seen it? So I'm coming to add junior tin tomato paste. That's how it is. Have you seen how it is?
It smells good already.
Yes, because of the spices, the organic spices. You add more water according to the quantity you want. Do you understand?
Yeah. So for the spices you add water, or are you talking about that?
I'm coming to we started the soup, the hot pepper soup. So I'm adding, because it has been already steamed. Yeah. Have you seen? Yeah. The salt and the pepper has entered well. So I'm adding the water according to the quantities of the food that the soup that we want, before adding the tin tomatoes. Okay. You understand? Because if the fish is small and you add plenty water,
it won't be nice.
We are preparing
So how much fish do we add? Is that for a big family? The fish?
Oh, it will depend. Me like this, I like fish. Okay. So as much as I can eat. Or maybe if you reserve some of the soup for tomorrow, it will depend. I'm cutting my tin tomatoes and I'm pouring it. After I pour, are you watching? Yes. These are tin tomatoes. I'm preparing. This is our simple soup that we have been preparing at the Ewe land. Because we are from water, we have fish, fresh fish there. So we have so many strategies for preparing this. Do you understand?
Yeah. So is this the simple way?
Yes. Oh, okay. Simple way. At times too, you can, if you want to add some palm oil. Do you understand? Then you steam the fish down like how it was first. Okay. You steam it, then you prepare the stew and everything before adding the fish. Do you understand?
Yeah, so you make the stew first,
and you add the fish. Before adding this.
So do you add the palm oil before the fish?
Yeah, you prepare the stew nicely.
Okay.
Before. Because of the tin tomatoes, I have to stir it so to dissolve. Do you understand? So this is how it is. This is how it is. Yeah.
And it's really simple to make.
Yes, this is a simple way method for Ewe, special when you are from farm or fishing and you are very, very hungry. This is how you do it. So I'm covering it. Yeah.
I guess while we wait, maybe I should ask you some questions about like who you are, what you do, and you also mentioned that you want to build an orphanage too.
Yes.
So should we?
I am a prophetess. I have my own church with plenty people. We are plenty, small, about 100 and something people.
Wow.
And God has put in my heart that I should build an orphanage. Yes. So we are planning for that one too. We are planning for that one too. God's willing, we'll do it. And this is where I am living. This is my small kitchen where God has hidden me.
Yes.
And the church too is somewhere there. Yes. Kashkaryn is my friend.
Yes.
My daughter.
Yes.
Yes.
My family.
Your family.
Yeah.
So we are here. And I'm teaching her my country dishes.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes. Yes. She's been teaching me. Hi. She's been teaching me so much stuff since I've been here every day. Giving me wisdom, teaching me Ewe, teaching me tree, teaching me the dishes.
And another thing was, in Africa, you know, the space is too small. We don't have storeroom.
Yeah.
So our kitchen is a storeroom.
Yeah.
So everything here is congested. Like this is where God has begun with us. So by all means, we'll be there.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
And we manage. We're grateful for what God has given us.
Yes.
So, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. So, yeah, she likes children and she wants to build an orphanage.
Yes.
And soon I'm going to be starting a campaign to help her do that. I'll give y'all more details about that later. Yeah, so definitely keep that in mind. If you want to donate, just let us know, okay?
Always before you let it, when it started boiling, you add your okra. This your okra.
Yes.
You add it to the soup. This is a simple way of preparing our Ewe pepper soup or any food.
I really like okra, so I'm excited about this. I really like the okra.
So it's boiling.
Yeah.
Now you can choose not to cover.
Oh, okay.
So that the papa will go outside, people will smell it. Hey, this soup is smelling good. But there is nowhere to be found to eat some. So we are finished.
So is this soup spicy? Is it spicy? Like hot?
You very soon. But let's wait. You want to taste?
No.
Check.
Not yet.
So you wait and taste it.
Wait till the okra flavor gets in it.
When it's about to cook, I'll add the pepper.
Oh.
So that it will give more flavor.
So I have a question. I know some people cook with like onga or remy. Do you use those?
No, I don't like it.
Okay.
That's why I have my organic.
Yeah.
This is my local things that we, from our ancestors up to today. This is what we have been doing before this ongan and all those things come.
Yeah.
So me, I don't like it.
Wow.
I don't like them. And I learned it has been this onga, Maggie, that it can be given attention. There you know. So I don't like it. I already have attention. So why should I add the onga?
Right. That's true.
So I only use this.
Yeah, I've heard a lot about onga and Maggie. And I just wanted to ask, do you use it? Because I don't think it's good. It's too salty.
And this fish is already nice. So if you use it to prepare soup, it tastes good.
Yeah.
You know, our ancestors, they don't have Maggi, but their soup is nice.
It's good, exactly.
So how can't we to prepare the same soup for today?
Right. That's true. They use the natural spices like the ginger, the pepper, the garlic, all the good stuff.
So we have to follow their steps so that we live long.
So what spices do you use? Like what's in your secret spice?
Yes. You know, some of them, I don't know how to call them in English.
Okay, say it in your language. It's okay.
In my language?
Yeah, say it.
Oh, okay. My language, we use ginger, onion, grove. You know grove.
Clove.
We call some grove.
Yes, yes.
Garlic. Then Hollywood.
Hollywood.
We have so many things. It's plenty. It's about 5 and small. We have so many things. I'll show them to you.
Okay.
So that you keep them in mind. When you are going, you buy them. That's what we used to cook in Africa.
Okay.
So that's why we don't add Maggi and all those things.
Yes. Plus, this tastes better than Maggi. When you cook with Maggi, it tastes different. But when you cook with the natural spices, it tastes more. It tastes better.
Yeah, and it will stand your lifetime.
Yeah. Because
there's no chemical in it.
Yeah.
So all these are natural.
Yeah.
The fish, only the tomatoes. You see, only the
tomato paste. Yeah.
Like if not, because tomato is costly, we can use the natural tomatoes. And you see that one different.
Sometimes when I cook stew, I don't use tomato paste. I grind the pepper, and the tomato, and I mix it with small water, and it's nice. Add salt. It's good. I can't wait to try this. This is my first time. This is gonna be my first time trying pepper soup. I didn't even know this was something. I didn't know about this. Yeah. And
why?
I don't know.
If you go, you don't do it. But you have fresh fish there?
No.
Don't you have fresh fish in America?
Oh yes.
So you are learning a different things?
What we do is we cook it in a soup, maybe like noodles, or we bake it. We bake or fry our fish. We don't really put fish in soup. Yeah, we usually.
This is another way.
You know, I can't wait to go back to America and try and have all my friends try the stuff you teach me and my family. I want to just cook them for them and then come back here.
So always you have to add the spices. Otherwise, the scent you can't eat it. But you know. We are tasting it. How do you say it?
It's good. It tastes like fish.
It will be fine. When it's cooked, you see that everything is nice. So are they saying?
Yeah.
We are almost done. Very soon it will be okay. Then you can share.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and also go subscribe to my Patreon for just $5 a month. For $5 you get access to behind the scenes content of my life, more recipes, travel tips and hauls, and so much more. You don't want to miss this opportunity. Also, I do promo for businesses too, so you can go check that out. The link will be in the description below. And yeah, thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for supporting me.